Gene structure. A gene consists of transcription unit, promoter, enhancers and silencers, and terminator. The transcription unit is the sequence of the gene region that is transcribed to produce the RNA. In transcription, unlike DNA replication, only one of the two strands of DNA in each gene region is used as the template strand. The other strand not used in transcription is named the coding strand. A brief comparison of the nucleotide sequence of the coding strand and the newly transcribed mRNA will show that the coding strand of the DNA and mRNA are identical, except where mRNA's uracil replace DNA's thymine. Both display the codon for the amino acid sequence of the protein encoded by this gene. Because of this, gene sequence are conventionally from the coding strand and written 5' to 3'. A major characteristic of almost all eukaryotic transcription unit is the presence of exons, which contain codon for the amino acid found in the final protein product, and introns that, although they are transcribed, do not code for any amino acid in the final protein product. Because of the vast majority of chromosomal DNA is non-coding, gene region must have promoters, molecular tags that can be recognized by RNA polymerases, and the transcription factors that assist in producing an active transcription unit. RNA polymerase, along with the transcription factors, bind to the promoter. The promoter is approximately 100 base pairs long with two important sequences, Tata box and Cat box. Tata box is approximately 25 base pairs before the transcription start site. Cat box is approximately 75 base pairs before the transcription start site. Enhancers are DNA sequences that bind specific proteins called transcription factors. These sequences are typically upstream of the transcription unit, but can be just about anywhere, including within introns. When an enhancer binds with a transcription factor, the presence of the complex increases the possibility that RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter and begin transcription of that gene. A silencer has the opposite effect on transcription. When a silencer sequence binds with a transcription factor, the probability of RNA polymerase binding with a promoter decreases, and thus the rate of transcription of that gene decreases. A major mechanism by which cell respond to external inputs is by changing the level of transcription factors present in particular cells at particular times. Transcription stops at a terminator sequence. In bacteria, the terminator sequence causes the RNA to form a hairpin stem and loop structure that terminates transcription. The terminator sequence for transcription in eukaryotic cell is not yet completely understood. There appear to be several different strategies for terminating transcription.